Imagine being on a psychedelic trip, experiencing vibrant colors and profound thoughts, and then, nothing. Your memory of the journey wiped clean. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the enigmatic world of the mind, where reality can be as elusive as a dream. Recently, a group of daring scientists at the University of Wisconsin-Madison embarked on a unique experiment. They combined psilocybin, the active ingredient in magic mushrooms, with midazolam, a sedative that induces amnesia. The result? A near-normal mushroom trip, immediately followed by complete memory loss. This is no ordinary research. It's a quest to understand not only the effects of psychedelics but also how our minds perceive and remember these extraordinary experiences. So, how did these scientists pull off this memory-erasing feat, you may wonder? Well, they cleverly combined two substances: psilocybin, the active ingredient in magic mushrooms, and midazolam, a sedative that can induce amnesia. This combination was designed to simulate a typical mushroom trip, while simultaneously erasing the participants' memory of the entire psychedelic experience. But why the memory wipe? Here's where it gets fascinating. In clinical trials, there's a concept known as blinding. This is where neither the participants nor the practitioners know if they've received the actual drug or just a placebo. It's a crucial practice for eliminating bias and accurately assessing a treatment's effects. However, achieving true blinding with psychedelic drugs presents a unique challenge due to the potent and distinct effects these substances have on consciousness. The psychedelic experience isn't just about the drug's biochemical effects, it's also deeply intertwined with an individual's beliefs, expectations, and the context of the experience. So, can we truly isolate the effects of the drug if the participant knows they've taken it? This study aimed to address this conundrum. By erasing the memory of the psychedelic experience, the researchers hoped to achieve a level of blinding previously unattainable in psychedelic research. This innovative approach could potentially address concerns about inflated effect sizes and potential harms from the nocebo effect, where a patient's negative expectations can influence the outcome of a treatment. The results of this study could revolutionize how we understand and study the effects of psychedelics. So as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the mind, who knows what other surprises we'll uncover? But why does this matter? What does it mean for the future of psychedelic research? These questions lay the groundwork for the next chapter of our journey. The experiment we've just discussed is a pioneer, opening up new avenues for psychedelic research. It challenges the traditional methodologies, questioning the need for blinding and acknowledging the role of subjective experiences. The implications are vast. If the effects of psychedelic substances can be isolated, we could better understand their therapeutic potential. We could decipher the precise role these substances play in altering human consciousness, potentially leading to breakthroughs in mental health treatment. Moreover, this study highlights the necessity for flexibility in research designs. Not every substance fits neatly into our pre-existing frameworks. To truly unlock the secrets of psychedelics, we might need to rethink how we conduct our experiments. So we stand on the brink of discovery. The doors to a new understanding of psychedelics and the human mind are beginning to open. Intrigued by the mysteries of the mind and the power of psychedelics? This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to uncover in this enthralling field. Stay curious, keep learning, and remain on top of the latest breakthroughs. Don't miss out on future explorations into the unknown. Hit the like button and follow our channel to embark on this fascinating journey with us.